Hi, Charlotte. What are you doing? What are you doing? You got the hiccups? You playing with the remote control? Can you say, this is the coffee table? No. What are you doing? Those are your little leggies. You standing up? What are you doing? Bouncy bounce? Is that another toy? Kind of far away? Can you say hi? Hi. You gonna tumble or you gonna be okay? You're gonna be okay? Hi. Where you going? There you go. Bonk. Good job. All down. Where'd you go? Who's that? Is that the kitty? Roll over and come get it.